Rest O Nation enye habobo tohiare ike vaketa angologang tuomo ike Pastor Margaret Ami Gavo enye upe president wo wana tohiare ne ahoshio ike ukpoboba ahoshio to health screening alo na tohiare ma kudo pe la masenyon ike enoji le tegbi mi akponi oke ajo ahoshio ke no wana ma doje ne everlovetv kude emachonu
Maraku ko e comfort ajakpo. Maraku miafa hama konya Rest O Nation. Maraku agba miafa ngogbo to choge. Ufa miadoma alebo bo yodo miafa lamo po. Aleka miafa lamana no sesi alebo wo revu nami alebo blabo nami alebo fonu cho no ruru ike miazo shika nami lamasan akpakple mi ka anami miafa bodia nano okay. Ta breakfast na mi handi amienu kpakple tɔtɔwo ta maraku ofonu tso miaƒe nuɖuɖu ke miaɖu nye be nuɖuɖu nye miaɖu nye fruitwo kpakple vegetables tsika na mi miaƒe lãme nano okay.
I'm Elizabeth Martini Ahiamaji, a public health nurse. For that matter, matron from Central Aplau Hospital. Yeah, we came here today just to assist the widows to improve upon their health. And on my observation, we've taken them through vital signs. We realized that a lot of them are having high blood pressures, and some of them also, their sugars are positive. So we took them through health education and nutrition, and then what in the exercises and the benefit of exercise for their body. We take them through other health talks in order to make them to take good care of themselves. And then we also did breast examination to detect any deviation, so that we refer all the deviants to facility for a further management. Intensive crisis. Okay, we cannot leave them like that. So we give them nifedipine. That will cater for up to the time they go to facility. The message is that there should be a constant medical checkup. So we have informed them.
Ocean me to ale miaba dudu adu drug amaji miadu achikutatio na miaba lamasan nyao na alika wodo mi epo miaba no doctor le mi agbo le yidia ocean gara mi
We are here as a team from Rest O Nations. Rest O Nations is a non-profit organization which is based on the word of God, which says that come all ye who are heavily laden and I'll give you rest. Matthew 11:28. So that's the basis for the organization. And our basic goal is to reach out to the vulnerables in the society, the aged, the widows, the orphans, and to reach out to them, to uplift them spiritually, physically, so that they can fulfill their goals in the world, in their lives. So basically, that's for Rest O Nation. But for today, we are here to commemorate the United Nations Day of International Widows Day. International Widows Day was set up in 2011 by United Nations, who thought that there should be more attention given to widows, because after the death of their husband, some of them suffer discrimination and all kinds of things. They don't have equal rights like other people. They lack education. They don't have income-generating activities, and they become susceptible to poverty. So we are here to commemorate the widows we have in the vicinity of Kita, Angloga, and Tegbi area to encourage them. We've inaugurated them about 6 months ago. So we are here, we make sure they meet regularly so that they can have social networking and then come up with income generating activities that will help them to be able to lift themselves up. So one of the main goals of the United Nations resolution is for the women to have health care in addition to education and means of generating income. So rightly saying that Resto Nations has organized a day of medical screening for today so that the women will be taught how best they can take care of themselves. We've gone through the various screening in terms of their sugar level, their BP, the hepatitis B and C. So all this has been done today. We're taking them through how best they can eat to have a good balanced diet for physical upliftment. And the women, they are teaching them how they can examine their breast against breast cancer.
So how many of them are?
We have here almost 85 to 90 of them here today. Yeah.
So what message do you have for them?
The message is just short. Take care of your health. Because the word of God says that I wish above all that you prosper and be in good health, even as your spirit man prospereth. So we are depending on that and we are reaching out to them that they need to take care of their physical health, even as they take care of their spiritual health. So basically, that's the reason why we are here.